Hello 18! Ito ang pinaka-latest update, video update ng ating SB19 boys. Masaya lang, pampa-happy vibes nila sa mga fans. Happy feels, masaya lang at enjoy ang buhay with SB19 dahil matagumpay sila sa pagpasok ng taong 2025, lalo na ang kanilang kantang Dam na umabot na ng 17 million views sa YouTube. Congratulations! At narito ang komento ng mga fans at 18 sa pampa-happy vibes nila sa Instagram account nila.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best.
O diba, pantanggal antok lang, stress at lumbay ng mga 18 itong ginawang update. Happy feels kumbaga.